Barcelona just dropped a bombshell on Real Madrid. The race for Europe's hottest defender just took a wild turn, and Florentino Perez is fuming. Here's exactly why Dean Huijsen might snub Los Blancos for Barça. According to Gianluca Di Marzio, Barcelona have officially submitted their project to Huijsen's camp just hours after Real Madrid's offer. The 20-year-old's father is right now touring Spain and England, with Arsenal, Liverpool, and Chelsea also in the mix, Barca's secret weapon. They're pitching Huijsen as the next Puyol, a guaranteed starter in their new defensive system. Meanwhile, Madrid can't promise him minutes over Rudiger or Militao, and that £50 million release clause, pocket change for Laporta. Real Madrid thought they had this deal locked. But now, sources say Perez is raging at Barca's last-minute hijack. Why? Because just like with Gundogan, Laporta is using emotional tactics. Imagine winning the UCL with your boyhood club, but wait, Arsenal, Liverpool, and Chelsea aren't backing down. Arteta's selling Premier League glory, Klopp wants a Van Dijk successor, and Poke's promising him a starring role. Who wins? Here's the shocking clue Huijsen's dad dropped. Barca fans are spamming his Instagram with tiki-taka greater than Galacticos. Madridistas are fighting back with 7 UCLs versus 5. Even Koeman tweeted, he'd be crazy to choose Madrid. The war is on. Predict his club. Like for Barca, comment for Madrid. Subscribe for the exclusive signing announcement. Huijsen Saga.